Hi! This video will briefly demonstrate how to use Zoom to record your presentation with yourself in it. If you don't have a Zoom account, go to zoom.us and sign up. And after you sign up, go to Resources and click Download Zoom Client. Then what you need is a Zoom client for meetings. Just click Download. After you save the file on your computer, go to the folder where you downloaded your file, double click the installer and run it. Zoom should be able to automatically detect which operating system you're in and install the proper client on your computer. So I'm demonstrating this on a PC. If you're a Mac, don't worry. It may look different, but it should be exactly the same process. Sign in with the account that you just sign up. Then on your Zoom homepage, and use Start with Video to start your meeting because you want to record yourself as well. So I'm recording the screen, which is a different screen from where my webcam is. If you're doing the same thing, you have to remind yourself to look at your webcam while you're talking. All right, so I'm going not to look at you. Going to look at my screen so I know what I'm doing. So first is to make sure that you have audio and click test the speaker and microphone. Can I hear it? Yes. And speak something and yep, obviously I can hear my replay. Then you can finish that. And now open your PowerPoint or any other presentation software that you use. I'm going to use Google Slides, same as in PowerPoint, just to click Present. Now back to your Zoom and click Share. And Zoom will ask you which screen you like to share if you have multiple screens like me. So I'm going to choose to share this screen where the presentation is. Because Zoom is recording your video camera as well, just to make sure your video camera is at a spot that's not blocking your presentation. Now you're all set just to start recording and click the three dots. It says More and then click Record. Click Record. So here, this little icon, it shows that recording is going on. And just to present as usual, that you would present in front of a class. And after you're done, go back to More and then click Stop Recording. And then stop sharing if you would. Quit your meeting and Meeting for All. Zoom will automatically convert your recordings into the Zoom folder. It will also pop up the folder after conversion is finished. So here is the recording. And just to present as usual, that you would present in front of a class. So now you can upload your recording to Blackboard or to YouTube and then post a link into your assignment. This concludes this tutorial.